Foreign media are praising over South Korea's extensive yet sustained testing, saying South Korea's testing is a powerful tool for fighting the virus. On March 13, Reuters published a special report about the outbreak of COVID-19 worldwide, and it used Italy and South Korea to give a comparison. It said Italy can't see what's coming and are trying to curb the movements of the country's entire population of 60 million people. More than 1,000 people have died from the novel coronavirus in Italy as of March 13. However, in South Korea, authorities have a different response to a similar-sized outbreak. They are testing hundreds of thousands of people for infections and tracking potential carriers like detectives using cell phone and satellite technology, Reuters said. By comparing two countries, the epidemiologist said the dramatically different outcomes point to an important insight. Aggressive and sustained testing is a powerful tool for fighting the virus. The biggest British public service broadcaster, BBC, praised about South Korea's testing system, saying it's saving lives. It added, South Korea has created a network of 96 public and private laboratories to test for coronavirus, and there is no shortage of testing kits in South Korea. This approach may be saving lives. Besides BBC, the Washington Post gave a compliment over South's response to COVID-19. It said Italy and the United States are clearly not handling their responses to COVID-19 well. However, South Korea's decisive actions made a steady downtick in confirmed coronavirus cases over the past week. 250,000 South Koreans have been tested since January 3rd, compared to about 6,500 tests completed in the United States by Tuesday. When CNN asked the Secretary of Health and Human Services in the United States about why America can test 10,000 people a day like South Korea does on the interview, he answered,
"It's not about ability, it's about what they needed to do. They had an explosive, immediate outburst and cluster, becoming one of the world's epicenters of the disease. We are not that. In fact, our testing approach in the United States..."
U.S. President Donald Trump said Wednesday that his administration may re-evaluate the U.S. travel warning on South Korea as the coronavirus situation in the country improves.
At the same time, we are monitoring the situation in China and South Korea, and as their situation improves, we will reevaluate the restrictions and warnings that are currently in place for a possible early opening.